We'll sit here, wait for a beaver to surface. Look at all the work they're doing there. I just saw that they're up. There we go. I lost it.